Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. And then, I just finished my training only now. I cannot leave early because the people who we gonna endorse the patient coming late. We cannot leave the patient without somebody. First day of my training. I'm sleepy now. But I need to pass by here to eat dinner. Because I'm hungry. First day of my training, the patient is pooping in my pants. I'm the lucky one. We are 3 now, but now only 2 me. The poop's coming into my pants. See guys, I'm here in Alwada Mall. Just pass by here to eat. After eating, I need to go. I want to rest. I'm tired today. I won't be able to go to the church. Bye guys. Good night. How is your day? I forgot to ask how is your day today. I hope all is in good health always. Bye.